Everyone. Again, I'm still working on exercise 6.3. Guys, I'm afraid I made a silly mistake. You see, I forgot that. You see, for instance, exercise 6.3a is asking me to do two tasks. Okay, and the first one is doing that, and the second one is doing that. Is actually the one for printing whether or not a letter appears in a string. Those are two different tasks. However, I made two different videos for them, even though I thought I'm gonna squeeze them into a single video. Hence, I decided, since without the use let me read this first. Without the use of the count method, write a program that asks the user for a string and the letter and count how many occurrences that are of the letter in the string. Okay, because of as a result of the mistake I just made, I thought, you know what, as opposed to writing everything from scratch, I will simply modify the code that I gave you before. Basically, this code here, you guys, tells us whether or not a string is a letter is within a string, right? So here's the game plan. I'll still need to retrieve user input. I still need to validate it, but what I no longer want to do is to have that variable called is within. Instead, the variable I need is called count, which will count the number of occurrences. Okay, again, once I'll check each character of a given string against my character, which is user letter. If they are equal, I don't have to print the letter is within the string. Nor do I need to modify the is within variable. Okay, so I'll get rid of that. I'll also get rid of the break statement. Instead, what I will simply do is I'll simply increase my count value by 1. Okay, again, I no longer want to do that, but what I do want to do is to display the number of occurrences. I'll simply go, there are count or occurrences within a occurrences of a letter within a sentence. Okay, it's gonna be as simple as that, you guys. Now let's hit the run button and see. Olwandile Kanyile. Let's count the number of my life programming. Cool. Let's count the number of, I'll copy that string because I'll probably need it again. Let's count the number of e's. There are 3 e's, so it's 1, 2, 3. As you can see, you guys, we're good. Now let's count the number of something which is not here. So there's 0 number of z's within that. Okay, so that's gonna be it for this tutorial, you guys. Cheers, I'm gone.